That is a difficult question because I don't think that some are better than others. I think all possess different kinds of resources and different competences, and you have to look at the possibilities at hand, and then our role is to enhance the different potentials that are there. This is also why we are offering this boot camp concept where we train host organizations and participants to become even better so that everybody can compete on equal footing. I think the key parts that an investor is looking for is a very good idea, a creative idea, a brilliant idea, because everybody wants to find the new big thing to do or invent something fantastic. Then you of course also have to have a business plan, a solid business plan, and you have to demonstrate that you have the skills to carry it forward. That is again how we are trying to support the young entrepreneurs to be more secure in the new environment of being a businessman or an entrepreneur. And I should also mention that we are combining the Creative Business Cup next year with something called the IBAN Academy, which is a huge gathering of investors that are coming to Copenhagen, and that will be a coinciding event so that we have a huge investor event and our Creative Cup event, and we are merging the two so that we have investors and creatives meeting each other by the hundreds.